One thing that really hits me with Penrite is how proud they are as a family of their product. And they never want to give a bad product to their customer because they see their customer as themselves. They're an Australian family and integrity is everything.
We've got the race bike here. This is a CBR 1000 SP1, Honda's superbike. This is the bike I've been riding for the last 5 years. So we use all Penrite's products, whether it's shining the bike, grease, chain lube, oil. We use a semi-synthetic 1030.
We use chain lube. We use even just greases, every single grease, high pressure wheel bearing grease. We use air filter oil, Penrite brake fluid.
Out there we're racing for 4 hours, so we need, engines to last and that's where the Penrite oil really gets us across the line.
It's our first year with Penrite and we're so far so good. We've had a few race wins and probably the best day we've had ever for the team, so we couldn't be happier.
Whenever we've needed to redevelop a product that was working but we thought could work better, there was no arrogance. It was like, no problems. Let us know what we can do to improve the product. We'll work on it and then we'll produce it for the customer. And that's what makes it a proud partnership. And that's what makes it a developing partnership that consumers can trust.